Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest method to format your research papers so it's ready for journal submission without wasting hours fixing margins, headings, and references. Let's begin. First, always download the journal's official template from their website. Most journals, Springer, Elsevier, Wiley, ICMJE compliant ones, provide Microsoft Word or LaTeX templates. This step alone saves you 50% of formatting time because the structure is already done. Next, copy your content section by section, not all at once. Paste into the correct parts of the template, title, abstract, methods, results, discussion, etc. Do not paste with formatting. Use paste as plain text or Ctrl+Shift+V. This automatically adapts your text to the journal's format. Also ensure figure legends, tables, and references go exactly where the template instructs. Many journals require them at the end. Now the biggest time saver. Use a reference manager. Export your citations in the journal's required style, Vancouver, APA, Harvard, etc. In one click, your entire reference list is reorganized automatically. No more manually numbering references or adjusting punctuation. The software does everything. Before uploading, do a quick final check and that are often required for acceptance, not just formatting. And that's it. Download the template, paste smartly, use a reference manager, and do a final check. Using this streamlined method, you can format your entire paper in under 30 minutes. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment if you want templates or a walkthrough on any specific journal. See you in the next video.